AK, mabilis. If you want your AK-47 more fire rate, 5.45 caliber ammo. If you want no recoil AK, get the large extended B. So, watch, listen, and learn. Pakitaan ko kay Sargi. I will show you, dog. Let's go, let's go, let's go, let's go! Let's go, dog, let's go! Let's go, let's go, let's go! Go! Farm drop! Farm drop tayo agad. Yan ang gusto ko. Isang squad, one squad 1v4 situation gusto kayo how to stop that shit. Push early, dog. Bruh.
Get out of this smoke.
Concentrate, let me see. That's a nice effective. That's a nice. Okay, upgrade muna. Upgrade. Let's upgrade. Okay guys, oras na para maghanap ng kalaban. It's time to find some snowboard, dog. It's time to find some enemies with snowboard, dog. Ito na, this is it, Pansit. Call of Duty Mobile is the game. Holy Father is the name. Lagging, dog.
Release the smoke.
That's a nice try right there, dog. Did we borrow your chopper?
Yeah, boy.
Okay, let's go. Okay, guys, eto na. We're pushing, dog. We got the goods, we got the loot, we got the armor, dog. Okay, mini enemies. Mini.
Airdrop in.
Concentrate.
Watch out. K9 incoming.
Next. Nice. Let's find more enemies, dog. Okay, Finding Nemo. Oh my goodness. I think, Holy Father, you're cheating. I think you're cheating, dog. Wala naman ng kalaban, dog. Ubus na ata. Enemies. Where are you, dog? Where are you? Okay, enemies, kundali. Diyan lang pala kayo. Dapat kanina niyo pa sinabi. Dapat kanina niyo pa tinext, dog. Sana kayo, dog. Kamira naman. Wala na lumalabas ng mapa. Ano to? to? Tago-taguan? Wala, ba't labi na lang to? Naman yung mga kalaban na to. Please lang, dog, sugurin nyo ako! Ano ba susugod dyan? Ayun! Wala ka sa akin. Kanina pa ako nagigigil doon. Kanina pa ako nagigigil doon. Promise ko. Kanina pa ako nagigigil sa kalaban. Napakita na rin.
Chip terminal almost ready. Airdrop has been delivered.
Kanina pa ako nagigigil sa kalaban doon. Kumbaga, nagpakita pa rin. Kanina pa ako nagigigil sa kalaban. Only 2 teams left daw. Okay, 1v5. Wala to. Bot na lang to. 2 teams left daw eh. Tapos nagpatayan. Wala. Kalubog to. Diba? Bigla na lang yan lalabas sa gitna. Sa tingin ko dito magagaling. Bigla na lang tong lalabas to. Wala. Bot na lang kalaban dito.